Welcome to the Contract Setup tutorial. We'll be going over the basic steps to set up a contract in CMIS. Shown here is the Project General screen. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a table like this with several tabs. Click the Contacts tab to see who is currently assigned to the contract. Each person in the system may only be registered as one type of contact. To add a new contact, click the Add Contact button at the top of the screen. First, select the person's name from the Select Contact drop-down list. You can also start typing their name to narrow the options quickly. After choosing the person, select their role from the Contacts Role drop-down list. It's very important to note that you must have one and only one construction manager for your contract. This person will receive RFIs and be in charge of setting up specifications and choosing a submittal coordinator. Be sure to have this person selected well in advance of your NTP date to avoid any delays. Once finished, click Save. After you're done adding your contacts, click the Contract Admin link on the left-hand side of the page. First, confirm the CM shown on the screen is the intended CM who will field RFIs. Add any information which pertains to your contract here, including the EL number, the DR number, OWDA loan number, WPCLF number, and choose a contractor from the drop-down list. You also need to choose whether your project is a unit bid contract or schedule of values. Down below, enter your construction cost estimate, including inspection and construction costs, as well as the base bid and contingency if it applies. After you've finished entering the basic contract information, scroll up and click the Edit Security button. Here you will need to add your construction managers, your contractors, and your reviewers. The reviewers group includes design professionals, inspectors, or anyone else who is neither a CM nor a contractor. Adding people here gives them various levels of access to the contract in the system. To add a person, start typing their name in the box at the top. Click their name, and then drag it to whichever category you'd like to assign. To remove a name, click the Cancel button next to their name. Continue until everyone is added. Please note, on this screen, you can assign multiple people with construction manager type access. However, only the person you assigned on the general screen with the construction manager CM role will receive the RFIs. People listed here may assist with other CM tasks like submittal coordination. Once you're done, click Save. Click OK in the confirmation message, and then close. Once you've returned to the Contract Admin screen, be sure to click the Save button. This will apply all your changes to the contract. If you need to add someone who is not currently in the system, they will first need to attend training to get their own account. If you have any questions or want to learn more about training options, please contact Justin McKinney, the PMIS Data Management Coordinator, at jumckInney@columbus.gov.